Good afternoon. My name is Vladislav Belbas. I'm the CEO of Ukrainian Armor and the member of the board of NAUDI, as National Ukraine Defense Industries Association. In general, our association unites more than 45 companies, mainly from the private type of ownership, which manufactures weapons and military products. Here we have represented our UAV sector. Is the company named Ukrspec Systems. Here we have PD-2 unmanned aerial system. Significant features of this vehicle is range. The range for it is over 200 kilometers. It's quite long distance, and endurance is around 10 hours. So this is surveillance vehicle, and it is widely used by almost all types of forces in Ukraine, like border guard, security service, land forces, special operations, and military intelligence. Here we have anti-drone systems, mobile anti-drone systems, which designated to suppress communication channels of UAVs. This systems is widely used in Ukraine. The company is relatively young, but already proved itself as the professionals and as effective solutions for anti-drone equipment. So this one is an anti-drone directional weapon. That one equipment is for installation on different armored vehicles and different equipment, moving equipment, is a cupola type. This old solution is we call it anti-FPV or anti-drone solutions. These solutions are to suppress control signals of FPV drones, to jam it and to destroy them. Effective solution and already proven solution in the battlefield. And also Ukrainian Armor Company, the company manufactures armored vehicles, and we manufacture also armored chassis for howitzer. And the gun is manufactured, like a gun system is manufactured by Kramatorsk factory of heavy machine building. And very popular system from Ukraine, ATGM Skif. It's anti-tank guided missile with a range up to 5 kilometers. It proved its reliability during the invasion from Russia. And this systems was also used starting from 2014. Starting from the initial invasion from Russia. But we had a large quantity of contracts, export of this equipment to different countries. Here's the optical targeting system. So by using several systems, depending on the conditions, depending on the concept of operation, so on the battlefield situation, so you need to use all the system. Simplicity and reliability showed very good effectiveness during this war. Also, this is kind of old type of control center for this launcher. And Design Bureau Luch also as a manufacturer of cruise missile complex Neptune, the one that sink Moskva ship, and also the cruise missiles and multiple launch rocket systems 300mm, modernization of system Smerch. It's a Ukrainian system named Viltha. It's 300mm. It's something similar to HIMARS, but the local system range is 110 kilometers. This is third exhibition in Egypt, and it's improving from year to year. We had a lot of security issues here first expos, and this time we almost didn't face any problems with the organization, and it's increasing. And Egypt as a market is also increasing. There is a lot of potential projects here. They are trying to localize the local industry. Actually, it's a general tendency worldwide to localize the local industry. So we're trying, as Ukraine, we are trying to catch it up. And also, on the other hand, we are looking for partners, and mainly as a country which are in war now, we mainly look for partners for joint productions, for supply of components, for joint development, the consumption of artillery. Our industry requires a lot of equipment and also requires a lot of cooperation and support in order to extend its production capacities.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Ken. I'm the VP of International Sales for OXO Tactical. OXO Tactical is a Singapore company. We do our research and development in Singapore, and we do our manufacture all over the world, some parts in Vietnam, some parts in Taiwan, and also China. So we actually brought our new release, the main product, which is what you see behind me. The TQ Plus actually refers to Frogskin Tourniquet Plus. That product is actually embedded with, in the event of emergency, the operator can very quickly perform a TQ operation by himself. So from the neck onwards, from the neck downwards, we actually have an anti-cut collar. I need to say that the neck collar, this portion is fully anti-cut, so no knife can penetrate that. And then on the hand and leg, you will see a flame and corrosive resistance. I need to say it will be protected from flame, and today in operational theater today you might have people throwing liquids at you, corrosive liquids, or even petrol bombs and stuff. Technically possibility, frankly, today a lot of special force are using these sets of uniform. TQ Plus is actually an official issued uniform for the Hong Kong police now. Okay, so as I mentioned, from the neck column you can see that now I'm having a pen knife. All I need to do is just cut. And you can see what is happening here is the outer layer of the uniform actually got cut, but the inner layer was still completely intact. So the protection layer is actually on the inside, not on the outside. Okay, so this is just the collar portion. And from the uniform itself, you can see that first of all, in the chest area, this is where we call the frame pro fabric. In this portion, this is a quick dry portion. So it allows the users to disperse the heat and sweat very quickly. On the hand and on the limbs portion, okay, if you look at the limbs portion, which is the lighter green portion. So on this portion, this is the flame and corrosive resistance. So for flame and corrosive resistance, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a bit of water to simulate that this is a corrosive. And you can see the very moment I pour on the uniform, it immediately repels any liquid in this sense, or even if it is corrosive. So this is the flame and corrosive protection part. And for the emergency tourniquet, which is the main features of this uniform, I would actually invite you over here to show you. In the event of emergency, the operator simply have to remove the tourniquet from his hand, okay? And he just need to pull it, and he can immediately do a tourniquet operation by stopping his blood flow.